Introduction of sounds by using flashcards.
Is apple, apple. Ball, ball.
Let's start the work.
It's your English book. New phonic language series 2. सबसे पहले हमने इसमें वर्क करना है, देन हम अपनी कॉपीज बनाएंगे. सबसे पहले आपने पेज नंबर ओपन करना है 11. ओके, मेंशन अ डेट हियर 15/6. It's a C work. Say the sound aloud, trace and color. Apple, apple, arrow, arrow, alligator, alligator and aeroplane. Okay, first put your pencil on the dot. Make a car. Go up and down. Make a car. Go up and down. The last is make a car. Go up and down. Very good. Now color these pictures at your home and come on the next page. Page number 10. Again mention a date 15/6. It's also a classwork. Then say the sound aloud, trace and color. Ball, bat, banana, butterfly. Come on the tracing. Put your pencil on the dot. Go down and down. Go up and turn around. Put your pencil on the dot. Go down and down. Go up and turn around. Very good. Go down and down. Go up and turn around. And then color the pictures. Please open page number 14. Mention a date here 15/6 homework. And it's the homework. और प्लीज़ आप अपने बच्चों की हेल्प कीजिएगा, उसको अच्छा होमवर्क करवाइएगा. After that, turn your page back. Open page number 13. Then mention a date here again 15/6. It's a homework.